morning, girls.
Oh, hello, Narita. Nice of you to fly by.
I thought I'd pop in for a couple of berries.
Got any gossip today?
Yes, I heard that this terrible thing happened.
Yes. Oh my goodness, look at all those featherless birds. I wonder what they are doing.
They are running around all over the place. What a commotion!
They don't run very fast, they look quite clumsy actually.
I believe they don't swim very well either. Not like fish. They can't even fly like us birds.
My dad said they are very dangerous and we should keep away from them or they will kill us. Maybe that's what they are good at. Killing? Yes.
Yes, that's right. I was about to tell you. Apparently, the great chief Puromata and his sons were murdered by Ngāti Runuku while out at sea fishing.
Murdered? Wow. Who told you?
The seagulls. They've been squawking and screeching about it all morning.
Wow, I wonder why they were murdered.
I believe the sons were being greedy, selfish, and bullying the featherless birds.
Wow, that's awful.
Yeah, they are very dangerous. They're a species that kill their own kind.
Yuck, how tragic. Oh well, killing is what they are good at.
Where are you going, Horiana?
I am just going to taste these beautiful red berries.
Horiana, where are you? Horiana!